All right, so the wife, she has a Mustang that she likes a little too much, and she wants to pimp it out. So I got her some light strips for the car, and these are pretty little simple lights. Let me show them for you. Show them to you. Sort of everything you want. They're RGB, right? Which means you get a remote, lights. Nice thing about these is that they come, I'll show you here, with the adhesive pre-applied, right? So she can have some underglow lighting, and it's got a simple little plug. In fact, because it's got a simple little USB plug, let me show you what we can do. Plug it in there. We can try them out. Oh yeah, pull the little battery thing. All right, green, red. All right, I'm gonna have a hint for you closer to the end of this. I'll show you a little sample here, right? Red, green, what does that say? This is blue, green, red for Milwaukee, you gotta love that. These are flexible, so they can go around corners and all that good fun stuff. Adhesive, if you wanted to screw them to something, you could. We're not gonna screw them, we're just gonna double side sticky tape. But what we're gonna do is put some in the footwells and some under the seats, and we're gonna get a little glow in her Mustang. You can also rotate through colors with these. It's pretty cool. And like I said, at the end, I'm going to show you a little additional thing that you can do with these. All right, I've got the LED strips snaked where I need it, and I've pushed the wires up in. The double-sided tape, as you can see up there, I've got one underneath those pedals. And then I've got one stuck to the underside of the seat. Wires routed. Let me show you in the back. So there's the passenger seat, and I'm gonna go ahead and get those wires tucked up there. And then when I go ahead and do a full detail on this car and I take out some stuff, I'll probably run these wires through the bottom of the console, but right now I've got it plugged into that USB. There's the sensor. What I need to do next is finish tucking the wires, and then we will test these out a little bit more. So, every time I talk, if you look at my voice, this is pretty cool. So right now I have the Bluetooth connected to the app that they have a picture on. There's a QR code on the thing. You go to that link and it'll download this app. And this app will allow you to use songs or the microphone. And you can do cool stuff like have little RGB. And here you can see the wife's feet. And it's got its own little general strobe, but then as there is sound from music, it will match the beat. So once it gets dark, we'll show you what it looks like a little better in the dark. But this is in daylight, and they're pretty visible. All right, it is dark out. Check it out. Right under the seat, under the kick, driver's side. We'll go ahead and. All right, so you can see we have it on the mic mode, and you can see the floors. Like I said, it'll sort of do some random, but with music or my voice, it slightly adjusts to it, which is pretty cool. And that way, if it's quiet, you still get some, light shows. But we'll go ahead and we will go to adjust, and then we'll click that there, and you can see now we set the color. So now, and then you can have predefined colors. So if we choose red, boom, we're red. And if we choose, let's choose blue, green, purple because, our hair's purple. So pretty easy to set. We will do one more shot when it is darker because it's bright, but you can see in bright and good daylight, still visible, easier to adjust with the Bluetooth app. And you can also, like I said, you can load songs and play those songs. You can access the library on your phone. So pretty cool. Look at that. It's nice. It's not too crazy, not too bright. Works easy when you turn on the car. Lights come on, whatever your last setting was. And now, get a little bit of extra bling to your car. Pretty sweet.